New Year's resolution, 2017, what is it? Have you given it much thought?
I've given it lots of thought, but isn't it a
Help her out.
new
Help
year? I don't want to be a new me because I always just want to be me.
Maybe. Today is a special day, and it's not because that security is now here at the parking lot. It has moved from downtown Disney to right here in the parking lot. I am getting an annual pass. That is why today is a special day.
Got my Minnie Mouse watch all set up. Look what it is. I got it. I got the pass.
The Disney Southern California Pass. It is mine. I'm coming every day for the rest of my life.
This baby is going right into my wallet. Mickey's gonna disappear. Bye, Mickey. Bye, Mickey. I have to say hello to Ariel every time I'm here. They still have the Christmas stuff up. Christmas music playing. I'm okay with that. Mortimer's Market. If you know anything about the history of the name Mortimer's, that's what Walt Disney wanted to name a Mickey Mouse. Disney's wife didn't agree on the name Mortimer. She thought it was pretentious. Came up with Mickey. Just a little tidbit for you. Is that like a little Ariel? Oh, that's an Ariel right there. Is it crazy that I would buy every single one of these? Wait, I saw Rapunzel somewhere. Is that Rapunzel? Is that Rapunzel? No. I highly recommend you getting an Oswald in your life. Look, they got the little Maui hook. I like that so much. I'm running out of cabinet space. Little baby Moana. Looks like Santa Claus is sticking his head out of the tree there. Look at it. It's kind of out of place. Under the tree you have a little Mickey hiding. Look at him. I just added my Disney annual pass to the application. I highly recommend doing that. Quick access to your 10% off merchandise, 10% off Starbucks coffee, and everything else, for the most part.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light.
At California Adventure, they actually have certain areas where there are Wi-Fi hotspots. Now, it seems to change, but I would definitely suggest trying out the Starbucks, which is right here, right when you walk in. There's something about that ride that makes me feel like it's gonna fall off and land somewhere in the park, probably in Disneyland somewhere. It feels very unsafe. Just after I recorded that, a loudspeaker came on saying that Goofy's Fly School is closed down. What am I going to do with you, young lady? One quick tip about the Little Mermaid ride here at DCA is that they were planning on doing a Little Mermaid ride for Disney World Paris, Disney World Florida, but they didn't end up doing it. Actually, if you have the Little Mermaid Diamond Edition Blu-ray, you'll see what they were planning on. They actually have sketches and designs, and actually a computer graphic of what the design was supposed to be. It never ended up happening, unfortunately. But when they started to retheme California Adventure here, they decided to bring Ariel's Adventure right here. I think Ariel should be in Fantasyland at Disneyland. That's where I think she should be. I think she's out of place here. But who am I to say anything, right?
As you can see, everything worked out swell for Ariel.
I like it.
I want that one to be my apartment because it's right under Ariel's gift shop. If they only had my size. Look how cute that Minnie Mouse purse is. If only I could pull that off. Maybe I can.
This is what I like about DCA, is that it's busy, but there's so much room to walk around. I mean, I'm right here on Paradise Pier, and there's not many people here. It's kind of quaint in its own way. Disneyland, it gets packed, especially when the parades start. But look, I mean, got the Ferris wheel right beside me. That's where I'm headed right now.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out.
You always want to go on the swinging. Don't go on the non-swinging. Go on the swinging.
When I'm down, 'cause with you I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound.
Here we go.
The people I sat with were the most quiet individuals. They were an older couple, but they just sat there with their mouths shut. They didn't say a word. They didn't move. When you're in the carousel that swings, you gotta swing it back and forth, you know? Scream, shake, get into it. They sat there like, did nothing. It wasn't like last time when I came with Monica and my brother Shane and we shook the carousel around, we made a lot of noise, we screamed. Monica almost got sick. It was wonderful. I'll add footage of that experience, because you don't want to see what happened just a minute ago.
One of my followers here on YouTube wanted to know how much these cost. They cost $24.99. They are still available.
I have no secret tips for the silly symphony swings. I'm just going to do it. I haven't seen Elsa and Anna in a long time. That has to happen. It has to happen now.
This is mine right here. I have to get this. Character close up.
In my hand, my snow up against the burning sand, propagating gorgeously tan in summer.
Why not? Because it is probably gonna happen. It's probably going to happen. Yes. What is to eat less chocolate.
Oh, that's what I was
Eat
thinking.
less chocolate.
She hadn't told me yet, but that was my guess.
Yeah.
See, but people know, and then they'll bring us less chocolate, and that's not what I want to happen.
No. I really want to help Olaf find a friend.
That was gonna be my next question. Like, what do you think Olaf's is?
Oh.
If you were to think.
Probably to learn how to swim at the beach.
Because he loves the beach so much,
Yeah.
but he can't ever really go in the water.
And Olaf doesn't have a friend, does he?
Well, I mean, he has lots of friends, but a
Snowies
snow person friend would be good, I think.
Right.
Someone he can talk to that won't mind listening to him all the time.
Do you know what mine would be?
Oh, what?
Arendelle. I want to go visit.
Ooh!
I want to go visit once and for all. Is there any
For
sightseeing?
the first time in forever.
First time ever. Any sightseeing? Anything I should see there?
Oh, well,
the North
lots.
Mountain.
Yeah, the North
Oh.
Mountain,
Yeah.
the Ice Palace,
Very
the
good.
fjord, ooh, wandering ocean. They have the sauna.
Yeah, the sauna's the best part.
Sauna's the best part.
It is.
Well, thank you so much. We're gonna get a
Thank you.
picture.
Wonderful.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
When I'm down.